Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, real estate is a hot topic because it has become or becoming, whatever you say, a buyer's market here in Canada, especially in the GTA area, with price decrease and lot of inventory available. But there is a problem that people are not talking about, especially after condo crash we have seen. That is about the maintenance fees for a condo. Now it's a deterrent for most of us before we try to buy a condo, but in the way the population growth and all other resources are concerned, definitely condominiums are a better option because it can house multiple, like hundreds of units at the same place where individual houses would hardly accommodate any. But why someone is not talking about maintenance fees, lack of regulations over it? For example, what I mean to say, now the deterrent is like you buy a condo, okay, and then you find that it has got, for example, 400 $500 a month. Do you know there is no regulation about how much it can be increased next year? Now, with this, sometimes people get surprised. Sometimes people find that they can no longer afford the maintenance fee and then they want to sell. But even the seller, even the buyer is gonna know about the high maintenance fee and then it's a limbo, decrease the price. So, I believe regulations are required. Now, few points definitely I would like to describe here. First thing is like sometimes builders, when a condo gets ready, they initially keep the maintenance fee low so that they can attract more buyers. But once they leave after a few years and condo board takes over, again, if the funding is not adequate, then you can expect a huge hike in fee. Lot of us want to live with amenities like you should have locker room, gym, swimming pool and sauna, you name it. There could be like ample of facilities available, but that have an impact on your maintenance fee. So if initially it's low and you have such facilities, amenities, don't get surprised if it goes more than what you expect. So these points you must consider, and I guess this is where the government needs to regulate, like not only about the initial maintenance fee, they should also regulate the increase, and they should make some mandates that just in order to keep the maintenance fee low, properties should not be poorly managed. It has to be maintained with some certifications when it meets certain known standards. So I believe government must regulate how the fee can be increased. I mean, there has to be some regulation. If the government can regulate how much money a landlord can increase every year for a tenant, of course, there are some exceptions. Why can't that be addressed too? And of course, there could be some exceptions and certain circumstances which may demand more than the allowed increase. So why not have a process like apply and get it approved, then do? Because there have been cases where people have even stopped paying increase in sharp maintenance fee, but when such matters go to courts, most of the times, in fact maximum, whatever term you want to use, uh, the courts side with the condo board, and you will be forced to pay with an interest and all the legal filing fee also. So this is what my opinion is, guys. If this thing can be regulated, managed and controlled, we'll see more people going towards condominiums than now. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.